I'm so sorry, medyo tsaka yung lighting natin because it's raining outside and feeling ko baka naririnig niyo yung ulan. But it won't stop me from doing this video because obviously from the title, we're going to do another hair makeover at home featuring a new product, you guys. This is from Fresh HAIRLAB. This is the Milk Color Cream Farah Color Complex. So, bago ko i-chika, anong meron dito, pag-usapan muna natin mga shades. Kasi I'm pretty sure yung unang tanong nyo, ano yung mga shades na available. So, first one we have is Oreo Pearl Tea. It's in medium brown. Kapag solid black yung hair without bleach, ganyan ang kalalabasan niya. In person, meron siyang very, very subtle hint of brown. I mean, in room lighting, magbumukha lang siyang like black. Pero pag tinapat nyo sa araw, makita yung pagiging brown niya. Parang ganung leveling. Pero pag with bleach, ito ang kalalabasan niya. Diba? Mas lighter. So, it's basically pretty dark shade. That's the darkest. Next one is Hokkaido Milk Tea Light Ash Brown. So, ito siya kapag ka walang bleach ang inyong hair. Of course, it's obviously lighter than the first one. And then, ito magiging itsura niya kapag ka may bleach yung hair nyo. Again, it's not like super light. On the natural brownish side pa rin siya. Third one, mas lighter. Third one is Okinawa Toffee. It's light golden blonde. So, pag walang bleach yung hair, ganito magiging itsura niya. Again, it's still going to be like, you know, deep dark na may subtle hint of brown na most likely makikita ng bonggang-bongga pag tumapat sa araw yung hair mo. And eto naman daw kapag ka may bleach yung hair. And then we have the lightest one, Winter Melon Tea. It's light ash blonde. Ito daw magiging tsura kapag ka walang bleach yung hair. And then ito kapag ka may bleach. So it's going to be like mukhang platinum blonde-ish. So yan yung mga shades from the deepest all the way to the lightest. So when you open the box, ito na ang laman. You have yung oxidizer, good for one application. Ito yung color cream. Here is the after treatment conditioner. And over here, I'm assuming yung manual. And of course, yung glove sibel. At ang napili ko out of all the 4 shades is yung Oreo Pearl Milk Tea, which is medium brown. Kung karamihan sa inyo may dark hair na gustong mag-lighten, ako mayroon ha light hair na gusto ko mag-darken because I'm so tired of this color, light color. One tip na pwede ko ibigay sa inyo, like a week bago kayo magpa-hair color or bleach whatsoever, everyday maglagay kayo ng coconut oil, ng virgin coconut oil or whatever hair oil para alam niyo yon, well-rested, well-pampered yung hair ninyo bago sumabak sa matinding color, bleaching, whatever. So, let me just show you the before first. I know, my hair is butchered. So step 1, transfer contents of the color cream tube into the bottle with oxidizer formula and mix thoroughly. And bawal daw ang metal comb. Make sure na plastic comb, plastic applicator yung gagamitin nyo. By the way guys, huwag nyong kakalimutan mag-patch test muna bago nyo gawin to. And huwag kayong mag-a-apply ng hair color kung meron kayong sugat or pimple on your scalp, please. This hair color is ammonia-free. Meron siyang milk proteins, argan oil, and keratin. And that is the one word I always look for sa mga hair products, you guys. The word keratin. Kasi yun talaga yung pinakamaganda when it comes to your hair. So it's gentle on the scalp and permanent yung hair color and for all hair types. Leave the treatment or leave the hair color for 30 to 45 minutes depending on the level of color you want to achieve. So, while waiting for my hair, side note muna tayo. Papakita ko lang din itong product na kasama, no? Pinadala nilang PR. This is the Glutaboost Moisturizing Cream Salt Scrub. It has steroid complex, glutathione, and vitamin E. And this is made in Thailand. And I also have here yung Milk White Glutathione Body Lotion. Meron din steroid complex, milk protein, and paraben-free.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I?
Hey guys, so it is already the next day. And yeah, eto na nga yung finished product. And to be completely honest, I am super duper happy with the result. Hindi ganito yung ina-expect ko, pero eto yung pinagdadasal ko. But here's the thing though. Ang ginamit ko was Oreo Pearl Tea. Yun yung in-apply ko doon sa mga areas na meron pang bleach. Then ginamit ko yung second, yung Hokkaido Milk Tea. Para naman dun sa roots ko. Para kahit papaano, I'm so sure hindi pantay yung roots ko at saka yung the rest of my hair. Pero at least kahit papaano, hindi ganun ka super layo yung, alam mo yun, yung difference nila. Pero honestly, yung ganitong box na to, pwede na siya, sapat na siya sa ganito kaikli na buhok. Pero if you have like hanggang ditong hair, medium length hanggang sa mahaba, one box is definitely not enough. You need 2 or 3 more, depende pa sa kapal ng buhok mo. And you know what, good thing, ito yung isa sa, actually, ito yung pinakamura na alam kong hair color, because it's just, if I'm not mistaken, 259. So for 259, sulit na yung isang box. Ngayon, you guys, I'm in love with the effect, pero hindi lahat magiging ganito yung effect sa inyo. It will always depend on your base. Kung gaano ka dark, kung gaano ka bleach, kung gaano ka brown, or kung gaano ka-damage yung hair mo. It will all depend on the base of your hair. I got lucky. Merong part ng hair ko na super duper light, parang naka-bleach siya. Kaya lumitaw talaga yung full potential nung first color, yung deepest of the four. So kitang-kita talaga yung pagka-brown nung Oreo Pearl Tea dun sa may bleach part. Pero all in all, nagustuhan ko siya, guys. Hindi nga ganun ka-dry yung feeling compared dun sa mga home hair coloring kit na nagamit ko before. Also, pag in-apply mo siya, pag nakababad na siya sa hair mo, andun pa rin yung, alam mo yung uncomfy feeling, very, very mild burning sensation, alam mo yon. Pero hindi siya sing grabe kapag ka, alam mo yung pag nagpa-bleach ka talaga na mainit, na makate, na may konti pang hapde, hindi naman siya ganon. I will link this product below in case you're interested, and yeah, I do recommend na itry mo. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you din pala sa Fresh Philippines for sending these hair colors to me, for giving me the chance to try it. Yeah, again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.